the great information that he has offered our Central Maryland region. What he said is identify your Golden Goose referral partners. So important. Using ChatGPT, and he really turned me on to ChatGPT, and I'm using it all the time now. So ask for an introduction to this type of business during your weekly BNI meeting and this is most important, set aside time weekly to find and invite people in this profession. Next slide. And how to find visitors and open seats. Well, personal connections, always good, like business partners, contacts, and Facebook friends or other social media. Next slide. And, also looking at clients, colleagues, LinkedIn and Alignable is a great resource for that. There we go. How to find visitors, friends of friends, second level LinkedIn connections. And we have also a Google Sheet on this. So friend connections, BNI references, it's all good. And Chamber of Commerce, of course, social media. And Brian is really such a mentor in this area, and he may have more to add on this. Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much for that, Kate. And now we're going to pass it over to Brian for